Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade aloe vera gel. First, choose a healthy, mature aloe vera leaf from your plant. Next, gather your tools, a sharp knife, a spoon, and a blender. Make sure your workspace and all your equipment are thoroughly clean. This preparation ensures your homemade gel is pure and safe for use, setting the foundation for a quality product. Now, let's extract the gel. Begin by carefully cutting the chosen aloe leaf from the plant's base. Stand the cut leaf upright in a cup for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the yellow aloe liquid to drain. This step is crucial to avoid skin irritation. Then, lay the leaf flat, peel off one side of the skin, and gently scoop out the clear, inner gel with a spoon. Once you've extracted the gel, it's time to blend it. Place the clear gel into a blender and process until it achieves a smooth, uniform consistency. To extend its shelf life, consider adding a natural preservative. For example, you can mix in about 500 milligrams of vitamin C powder. Transfer your freshly blended gel into a clean, airtight container, ready for refrigeration. Your homemade aloe vera gel is now ready to use. When stored in the refrigerator, it typically remains fresh for up to 1 week. For longer preservation, you can freeze portions of the gel in ice cube trays. Simply thaw a cube as needed. This natural gel is excellent for topical application, offering soothing benefits for various skin concerns. Enjoy your fresh, pure aloe vera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.